Cal Bowers, I found you sitting on a MiR unit today, so what are you working on?
Well, this MiR is one of our AMRs, autonomous mobile robots, that we have a line of, along with our partnership with AutoGuide, that are our tuggers and forklift units. These AMR units are structured and utilized within manufacturing facilities for material handling, moving items at end of line or within the production line, but also there's a crossover into industries like the medical world, higher education, logistics, that these autonomous mobile robots have a great fit in. For example, our medical world, moving items within a facility at a hospital, whether it's chemotherapy, drugs, or soil linen, whatever it might be. So really trying to focus and utilize this AMR technology across the board with our great customers.
Thanks, Cal.